the rest of this week. Certainly in terms of rain, you're going to get used to that because there's going to be plenty of it around across the whole of the UK. We're saying sunshine and showers today. Some places have had rather more sunshine, other places have had rather more showers. And you can see from the satellite pictures a great clump of cloud that's been spiralling in across northern parts of Scotland. And that produced some pretty heavy rain earlier on this morning. We had severe weather warnings out, in fact, for some parts of eastern Scotland. It's beginning to ease now, but still a miserable afternoon for Murray, for Aberdeenshire, with cold winds coming in from the north, just 8 or 9 degrees at best. Further south, though, a little bit of brightness coming through for southern Scotland, and across northern England, well, a scattering of showers. Already we've seen some thunder turning up across the Pennines, those thundery showers extending further eastwards as the afternoon wears on. There haven't been too many showers yet across East Anglia, the Broads included, but they will arrive, I think, over the next hour or two. A fairly brisk winds blowing in from the southwest, and when that's coming in off the sea, you probably won't see that many showers. So perhaps along the north coast of Devon and Cornwall, western side of Wales, showers few and far between, but certainly inland there'll be plenty of them, and you'll do well to dodge the showers across Northern Ireland. Just 11, 12, 13 degrees, even in the brighter spells between the showers, so a fairly cool afternoon for most. And then through this evening and overnight, it's going to take quite a while, I think, for most of those showers to die away. Still a few heavy ones rumbling on across eastern England for a time. Northern Scotland still quite wet and windy for a while, but later in the night, skies will clear, the winds will ease down, and it will actually turn fairly chilly. Temperatures down to 4, 5, 6 degrees in the towns and cities, but perhaps a couple of degrees lower in rural spots. So a touch of frost, not completely out of the question for gardeners to worry about. Tomorrow, though, a bit of brightness to start with for many of us, but again, those showers get going quite readily through the morning. Heavy ones coming along for the afternoon, but notice some more persistent rain starts pushing in across the southwest of England through the morning, getting in across much of southern England, South Wales, the South Midlands as the afternoon wears on. Some strong winds along with that, so it'll feel pretty chilly here, 11 degrees, but again 13 or 14 at best, even in the brighter spots further north. And the rest of the week, not a lot better, actually. It's going to stay pretty unsettled right the way through. Wednesday, a fairly miserable day where the rain lingers on, and that's most likely across Scotland and across Wales. Elsewhere, turning a little more showery, but still a fairly chilly day, particularly in the rain. Temperatures probably about 11 degrees at best, for example, in Glasgow. 14 degrees where it's a little brighter. But I'll end on a positive note. I think later in the week it should start to warm up a touch and become a little drier as well. So just a little bit to look forward to later on.